Hello, greetings mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers. So, nandito po ngayon tayo sa Molito Lifestyle Center dito po sa Alabang, Muntinlupa. And we are conducting this free public telescope viewing. Today is May 22, 2026. Ayan po. So, medyo cloudy. Yan, and we are waiting for the moon to show up. Yan, so bago pa tayo magpatuloy, please follow us on our Facebook and TikTok, the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Okay. Ayan, naghihintay lang po tayo ng clear skies. Ayan, so ang phase po ng moon ngayon is waxing crescent moon.
Waxing crescent.
Wow, Jay.
Yeah, it's a white.
So white.
It's a gray. Ay.
Oh, wow.
Wow! Ang ganda reaction niya. Oh, wow!
Pagalingan ng reaction, guys.
Oh my god, it's so pretty! This looks so good.
Hey, can you see the moon?
Amelia!
Amelia!
Just look. So pretty.
Just look here.
Look here.
Look here. Yeah, just look. Wait lang sa dalawa.
Guys, can you see it?
Lago.
Yay, the blue.
Ganda, sir.
I wanna see.
No, yeah. Baka magkaiba kasi yun. Sir Joe.
Last na. Ganda.
Ayan, so dumadami na po ang tao dito sa Molito Lifestyle Center. And again, we are conducting a free public telescope viewing. And today is May 22, 2026. So we have here our Skywatcher volunteer, si Sir Rexy, who's using my Mizar 102S refractor. Ayan, ito naman si Sir Coco, he's using my Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflector. Yan, and the telescope is pointed at Jupiter. Yan. Kay Sir Rexy sa buwan.
Since ano naman po, SSI naman po.
And then nandito po si Skywatcher Akira. Yan, so he's using my Vixen RX reflector. So the telescope is pointed at Jupiter. Alright. Alright mga ka-Skywatchers, so alas 7 na po ng gabi and we are still here at Molito Lifestyle Center dito po sa Alabang, and we are conducting this free public telescope viewing. We are observing the waxing crescent moon. Yan, and Jupiter. Okay, so again, this is Skywatcher Rexy using my Mizar 102S refractor. A refracting telescope uses lenses to collect the light and produces the magnified image. Then ito naman po si Skywatcher Akira, who's using my Venture RX reflector. A reflecting telescope uses mirrors to collect the light and produces the magnified image. Ayan. Okay, so yan. Follow us on our Facebook po, Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Ito yung aming advocacy to share the telescope to the public.
Zoe, I saw Jupiter. What? Yeah,
What, that one? Ayan yung maliit.
Sa taas po.
Ang tata.
Opo.
Or yung sa
Ito po, sa gitna po.
Ay, sa gitna. Oh, do you want? Okay. Okay, sino ka? Pag sinira niyo, bala kayo.
Ay,
sorry,
hindi
sorry.
ako.
Okay.
Ito po.
You want to line up, please? Yeah. Take a look at it.
Alright mga ka-Skywatchers, so it's 8:30 na ho ng gabi. And we are still here at the Molito Lifestyle Center in Alabang, and we are conducting this free public telescope viewing. Our targets are Jupiter and the moon, yung waxing crescent moon. Okay, so I have here my Mizar 68 mm diameter of the objective lens and 1000 mm focal length refractor. And si Sir Coco po yung nag-ooperate. Yan. And then nandito pa ngayon si Jean, who's using my Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflecting telescope. Ayan, nandito rin po si Skywatcher Isa, who's using my Carton reflector. Ayan, dito naman po tayo. Nandito si Sir Rexy, who's using my Mizar 102 refractor, and nandito po si Akira, who's using my RX Venture reflecting telescope.
Pwede nyo rin po siyang picturean. Pwede nyo rin po siyang hindi ba po